Question 5. You can use the graph opposite to find out how much Lithner has to pay for the units of electricity she has used. Lithner pays at one rate for the first 100 units of electricity. She pays at a different rate for all the other units of electricity she uses. Lithner uses a total of 900 units of electricity. Work out how much she has to pay. So the first 100 units are at a different rate. It's more expensive, as you can see. So we can use the graph, and if we go up at 100 and then left one to reach the line, you can see that for the first 100 units of electricity, it costs £25. After that, if I go up at 200, if she used 200, that would cost her £35. So after the 100 units to 200 units is cheaper, okay, as it's a different rate, as it's not as steep. So all we need to do then, it says she uses 900 in total, so we need to look at the graph and go up at 900. But 900 isn't on the graph, as the graph's not big enough. So we need to work out how much it increases by every 100 units. So we go up at 500, and if she used 500 units, that would cost her £65. If she used 600, let's see if I can just about. If she used 600, that would cost her £75. So you can see that every extra 100 units she uses, it goes up by £10. So I'm just going to write that down. So 600 units. So let's do 500 first of all. So 500 units cost her £65. 600 cost her £75. So it keeps going up by £10. So 700 would cost £85. 800 units would cost £95, and 900 units would cost £105, and that's the final answer. So £105 for 900 units. So question 5 is worth 3 marks in total, and let's have a look at how you get those marks. Now you get 2 method marks for a complete method that uses both rates. Okay, so if you use both rates, then you get the 2 method marks. If you find the cost of the first 100 units as £25, or if you see 25, that's enough to get you a first method mark. Or if you see £10 increase per 100 units for the second rate, that's also enough to get you the first method mark. But in this case we would have got both marks. And the third and final mark is for the answer of £105, which was for 900 units of electricity. Okay, and that's it for question 5.